Both are ball screws, so why are some ground while others are rolled? They may look almost identical, but they're made in completely different ways. And those manufacturing methods determine how they perform. Rolled ball screws don't machine the thread. Instead, hardened rollers cold form the thread profile by applying tremendous pressure. The process is fast, continuous, and ideal for mass production. That means shorter lead times, higher production efficiency, and better cost effectiveness. Ground ball screws are manufactured on precision grinding machines, where profiled grinding will create the thread one pass at a time. Every feed, every wheel dressing, and every grinding pass must be precisely controlled. The process is significantly more complex, which naturally requires more manufacturing time. In return, it delivers superior lead accuracy, better surface quality, and smoother motion. So here's the obvious question. If ground ball screws are more accurate, why not make everything that way? Because different applications have different requirements. When efficiency, cost, and high-volume production matter most, rolled ball screws are an excellent choice. When positioning accuracy, repeatability, and motion stability are critical, ground ball screws become the preferred solution. It's not about which one is better. It's about choosing the right one. Different manufacturing methods create different performance characteristics. Understanding the difference helps you choose the right ball screw for your application. YOSO, precision motion solutions for every application.